What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. Man, you guys see Travis, man. This episode, I'm going to be talking about the big fuck you and the big metal finger that Travis Scott dished out to all of his fans and so called real ragers with this bogus ass Travis Scott Jordan 1 fragment drop. Dude, what a shit show. I don't even know where to start. Like, I didn't even get my regular intro in, man. Before I go any further and tear into this asshole, Travis Scott. Make sure you guys give us a follow on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, it's We Don't Cook Food. In this video, I'm just going to be kind of going over this lame, bogus ass Travis Scott Jordan 1 fragment drop that I don't even know where to begin with. As you guys can see here, botting, man, where do I even start? I really got to make another video just talking about my feelings on it, but botters are like cancer, dude. You can't get rid of them. They slowly spread and they just ruin everything that they touch. Here we are. This is another example. These two assholes right here, as you guys can see, some little nerd, lame ass botters, they were able to get thousands of entry raffles into the actual Travis Scott Jordan 1 fragment raffle. Listen, before I go any further, I'm salty not because I didn't get a chance to cop, but just because of how bullshit Travis Scott and his lame ass team with sneakers and Nike and Cactus Jack and Jordan, they all think that they're doing us a favor by doing these lame ass unfair like raffles anyway. Personally, I don't have the answer. I don't know how to make this fair because at the end of the day, these lame ass nerds are gonna figure out a way to get around it. They're gonna figure out a way to finesse the system. This shit always just happens. Personally, I think they should have some kind of first come first serve basis in stores. You know how they used to do back in the day, because it would really make things a lot more difficult for botters to be able to finesse the system. Before I get ahead of myself, though, I just want to talk about how this is even possible. The simple fact of the matter is these nerds are able to figure out a way to enter mass raffle entries. These websites claim that it's supposed to be one raffle entry per person. I've heard of people's orders getting canceled just because it's more than one person on the same IP address. And here you have these lame ass botters over here entering tens of thousands of raffles. As you guys can see in these photos right here, what this is it's their botting setups. What we're seeing is confirmed orders. We're seeing thousands and thousands of, actual profiles and accounts and checkouts go through. Why? I don't know. But the whole point of this video is I want you guys to tell me who is more to blame. Do you guys blame these like sorry ass, lame ass, stupid ass botters? Or do you blame people like Travis Scott's bitch ass and his team for making this shit the way it is? Back in the day when his bullshit was first dropping, you could go on his fucking website and buy the fucking shoes for retail and pray that you got to beat the botters. Now, really, since that lame ass zipper sneaker, Air Force One, you haven't been able to fucking buy anything first come first serve because it's always been these stupid ass raffles. So again, my question to you is, what do you guys think? Do you think it's okay? Do you think that Nike gives a shit? My personal opinion, those guys don't give a fuck. As long as this shit sells out as it has been, they don't care if it's some fat, sweaty loser fucking cooking 10,000 pairs or if it's the people that are actually spending money on this bullshit ass dropship merch that takes 10 years to fucking get here anyway. Me personally, I'm fucking done investing my money into bullshit, sorry ass artists like Travis Scott who don't give a fuck about their fans. At the end of the day, how am I going to make a difference about it? I'm just going to stop fucking spending my money going to his bullshit ass concerts, hearing him scream on autotune for 45 minutes. I don't give a shit anymore. Invest into things that invest back into you. You as the regular consumer, it is not accessible for you to get your favorite artist sneakers. Let's talk about my size, for example. Size 13 right now. Last night, $2,800. I'm afraid to even look at StockX and see what it's at right now. Why, as a regular consumer, should I have to spend $3,000, a car payment, a mortgage payment, etc., on a pair of sneakers that I can support just so I can support my favorite artist or one of my favorite artists? Make it make sense. But at the end of the day, Nike, Travis Scott, Cactus Jack, Jordan, they don't give a shit about you as long as that sorry ass sneaker sells out. So personally, I don't even blame the botters, because if I could do it, I would be doing it myself, and you would be too, so don't kid yourself. But my opinion, I don't know. I'm done fucking with Travis Scott. Personally, I'm about to go fire up the rep engine and start hopping on the fake machine for myself, because I don't give a shit anymore. These drops are lame. They're not accessible. It's not possible. Call me butthurt, call me salty, call me what you want, but it's just not possible for an average fan or an average sneakerhead to be doing this. I've been in this game for 4 to 5 years. It's never been harder than ever and more depressing to actually cop sneakers that you're going to wear and not resell. So I'm kind of done with the charade. We're really the biggest idiots for buying into it and thinking otherwise. So if you guys blame the botters, let me know in the comments. If you guys blame Travis Scott, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for sticking around. You weren't able to cop them because of all these lame ass, sorry ass botters going, you know what they should have done? They should have fucking let people who've got a purchasing history with them before or have never copped, allow them to do it. Instead, they're going to send out some sorry ass message, talk about, oh, we're going to be very careful and check multiple entries and make sure people can't bot it. Man, shut the hell up. Y'all don't give a shit as long as that bullshit sells out. Fuck you, Travis Scott. Fuck you, Jordan Brand. Fuck you, Cactus Jack. Until the next one, guys, thank you for cooking with the kitchen. Stay safe, and as always, peace.